Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Today we are from group 1. We present about our group project on mineral water. So me is Muhammad Anas Aiman bin Abdul Ghani, and the other two members is Amirul Ashraf bin Zakaria and Abdul Aziz bin Marhakim. First of all, we go for introduction. Mineral water come from natural underground reservoir and mineral spring. This will give a higher mineral content than tap water. Minerals that are often present in mineral water include calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium bicarbonate, iron and also zinc. However, mineral water may undergo some processing to prevent oxidation and limit bacterial growth in mineral water. The mineral content of both natural and artificial mineral water varies greatly, and in some cases, it may be less than that of ordinary tap water. The second important part is we have to know the source of water intake. For the source, we decided to take raw water from Air Kuning Perak to supply the water intake. This is because the location has a lot of water to supply and also contain a lot of minerals in the groundwater. The river system for this is Sungai Ranting or Sungai Perak. Sungai Perak is the longest river in Peninsular Malaysia. The length of Sungai Perak is about 400 km and the basin size is about 14,900 km square. Besides, the location of a mineral water source determine the water quality and claim pharmaceutical properties. Lembaga Air Perak will help us to ease the process for the water intake to supply for our bottling process.
I am Amirul. I would like to talk about the process involved in the making of mineral water. Based on this flowchart, first we have heat well, then we go to raw water storage tank. After that, we have raw water supply pump, followed by aeration. After that, we go to softening, then settling, then we go to filtration. After that, we have high pressure pump. Next, we have micron cartridge filter 2 and 3. Then disinfection. After that, RO system. After RO system, we have water storage, where the product we process will go to the storage. And finally, the drinking water will use to distribution. Okay, now I will talk about the process used. First, raw water storage tank. It is required for storage of chlorinated water having appropriate capacity. Raw water supply pump. A horizontal centrifugal type of pump in stainless steel construction have been provided for supplying raw water to the pressure sand filter unit. Pressure sand filter is provided for removal of suspended matters and turbidity from raw water. SMBS dosing system. To avoid the chlorinated water may oxidize the membrane. Activated carbon filter. To remove color, odor, chlorine and organics in different proportion from natural water. Anti-scalene dosing. To prevent the hardness, salts of calcium and magnesium likely to be precipitated if concentration exceeds its solubility limit, and it may fault the membranes resulting into scaling, which ultimately leads to poor treated water quality from RO system. Micron cartridge filter for extra safety of your product water as it comes through the followed filtration and there are some chance to slippage for any particles which can be stopped through the cartridge. High pressure pump for reverse osmosis process to take place for feed pressure of water need to be raised. Ultraviolet sterilizer for disinfection of water is essential for reverse osmosis application before filling and sealing in bottle. Ozone generator to disinfect RO product water prior to bottling and filling. Ozone recirculating tank for required ppm ozone gas mixed up in finished product water. Reverse osmosis system. Reverse osmosis system rejects 97 to 99% of total dissolved solid by the principle of osmosis. Product water storage tank, a horizontal centrifugal type of pump in stainless steel construction has been provided for supplying raw water to pressure sand filter unit. Next, we go to water quality standards or parameter. First, we have sulfate, which we need 250 mgl, hardness 500 mgl, nitrate 10 mgl, coliform must not be detected in any 100 ml sample, manganese 0.1 mgl, chromium 0.05 mgl, zinc 3 mgl, selenium 0.01 mgl, arsenic 0.01 mgl, chloride 250 mgl, phenolics 0.02 mgl, TDS 1000 mgl, iron 0.3 mgl, copper 1.0 mgl, lead 0.01 mgl, cadmium 0.03 mgl, and finally mercury 0.01 mg.
Okey, untuk costing pula, kami ambil supplier daripada Lembaga Air Perak atau LAP. Untuk bayaran pula, RM1.15 untuk per meter cube. Minimum payment RM3 dan untuk bulanan pula RM50. Okey, ini pula kami punya target production dalam sehari. Kat situ kita boleh tengok untuk Pamimpo Production kami menghasilkan 3 jenis saiz. Yang pertama ialah 500 ml dengan kapasiti 5,000 per day. Dan untuk 1.5 liter pula kami target 10,000 botol. Dan untuk 9.5 liter kami target 500 botol per day. Untuk jumlah air yang diperlukan ialah 500 ml tu darab dengan 5,000 botol. So kita dapat 2,500 liter. Dan untuk 1.5 liter pula kami darab 10,000 dan untuk dapat 15,000 liter air. Dan untuk 9.5 liter botol air pula kami darab dengan 500 dengan dapat 4,750. So jumlah keseluruhan air yang diperlukan ialah 22,250 liter. Okey, untuk electric usage pula dalam sehari kita akan gunakan 30 kilowatt. Dan untuk 30 hari ataupun sebulan kami akan menggunakan 900 kilowatt. So untuk kadar bayarannya pula first 200 kilowatt hour akan didarab dengan 38 sen untuk dengan hasil RM76. Itu untuk yang first 200 kilowatt hour lah. So untuk 700 next kilowatt hour 700 kilowatt hour akan darab dengan 44.1. So untuk jumlah bayarannya 308 RM308.70. So itu untuk kadar bayaran. So untuk kegunaan sebenar kami punya electric usage ialah 900 kWh. So terhadap dengan 44.1 sen akan dapat RM400. So untuk botol kosong ataupun botol ni lah kosong lah dengan penutup, untuk setiap botol berbeza-beza harga. Contoh macam 500ml punya, satu botol tu harga 35 sen. So kami memerlukan 5,016 botol. So darab dengan 35 sen dapat RM1,755.60. So untuk saiz 1.5 liter pula dengan harga 50 sen setiap botol. So kami memerlukan 10,008 botol, akan didarab dengan 50 sen. So dapat RM5,004. Untuk 9.5 mililiter pula, setiap botol dengan harga RM1.20, akan didarab dengan 500 botol yang diperlukan. So dapat RM600. Okay, untuk harga pasaran pula, kami tetapkan dengan harga setiap botol untuk 500ml punya saiz, kami letakkan harga RM1.50. Dan untuk 1.5 liter pula kami tetapkan RM2.50. Dan last sekali untuk 9.5 liter yang paling besar tu dengan harga RM9.
In a nutshell, most humans need safe drinking water for the continuity of life. Water treatment is important to get clean water and avoid contamination, which is not good for health. Other than that, water consumption is increased every year for daily users. Water is also often unsafe because of pollution and not treated well in the process. So we have to find any ways to treat water. Furthermore, this big problem cannot be solved alone or only by a group of some people. It is the problem which needs global effort of people together. Last but not least, campaign should be spread widely to spread awareness, and social media is a big influence to spread knowledge on how to save our water properly. That's all from our group. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.